Hi, in front of me is Vivo V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by opening your device's keyboard and then holding the space bar. Now just start talking. When you finished, click on this blue button with a microphone. Voice typing is now paused. If you wish to unpause it, click on the same Now Wait button. If you want to go back, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!